Hello my dear students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So KCET Counselling 2024 has started and the round 1 option entry link is activated, right? So you have already given the exam, your results are out, and now it is the point where you have to make the option entry for which you will be allotted a college. So this is the most important step. Okay, so getting a rank, writing the exam was important, but now if you do not do this process carefully and wisely, you will not end up in getting the best college which is for you, right? So that is why option entry, or the making, what is basically option entry is, so you have to make a list. You are going to make a list of the colleges, of the courses that you are interested to study to the KEA, and after seeing this list, the KEA will be allotting you the college and the course based on their rank, right? So there is so many instances where you see people, if like students, if they do not do this option filling or choice entry in a strategic way, in a smart way, they will end up getting some colleges which are not up to their rank, right? So it is very important that you should do this step very carefully. So in this video, I'll be telling you the detailed step-by-step process how you should proceed towards making the best preference list for you. So just take a notebook and pen and sit down and write down all the points that we are discussing, so that you don't end up in making, so that you can make the best preference list for you. Okay, so now first of all, so we have understood what is option entry, why is it required. Now the thing is how to do it. So the first step here is you have to answer these 7 questions. Okay, so in this video I'll be asking you 7 questions. You have to note down these questions and write the answer side by side for whichever is possible, or at least you have to note down the 7 questions. So first is, what do you prefer? Okay, so there are 2 ways by which we can do the option entry. Either it is by college wise or it is course wise. Like for example, I am a student and my home, I am a resident of Bangalore and I want to join RV college. Okay, suppose this is my way. So in that way, my thought of my way of thinking is like, whatever branch I get, but my preference is RV college. I want to get into RV college at any cost. Maybe that is because of the reputation of the college, or because of the infrastructure or the facilities or the fest, whatever may be the reason, but my preference is RV college. This is one way of thinking. What is the second way of thinking? You think that, okay, computer science is the most demanding branch, so I want to get into computer science at any cost, but whichever college it is possible, but I want computer science. So in this case, what you are giving more importance? You are giving more importance to the course. In the first case, you gave more importance to the college, right? So this is what you have to first decide, whether college is more important for you or course is more important. Okay, so after getting into this, after writing the answer for this question, next question is, what is your rank? See, now whichever college you want, you cannot get it. It all depends on your rank, how you have performed in the KCET examination, what is your rank. So based on these rank, which colleges are there that comes or that covers my rank range, that you have to think. Now for example, I have taken some rank of 1789. Suppose this is my rank. Now I will make the third question is, which course do you want to study and where? Okay, so for example, you have decided that I want to study computer science. So what all the colleges, what are all your choice of colleges that you want to go? For example, for computer science, you want to go RV, then you want to go BMS, or you want to go PES University, you want to go to this JSS University or Nitte Meenakshi, whichever college you want. Okay, so that you have to list down. So you have to list down from colleges that you want to join. For example, RV, BMS, MSRIT, PS. These are the 4 colleges that I want to join. Now in the courses, what you can mention, what all courses that you are interested in. So you can see in my this preference list, computer science is there, computer science and data science, computer science in AI/ML, cyber security, electronics, computer science in business system. So these are the some 6 or 7 branches that I want to opt for. Okay, these are the 2 things that you have done. So till now, what all we have covered? The first step is to decide whether I want course or I want college. Second one is to decide what is my rank. Third one is preferring or writing the list of the colleges that I wish to go and the list of the courses that I wish to study. Okay, now this is done. Now coming to the step 4. What is the seat intake in these courses and colleges? So this data is also very important. So for example, in RV college, what is the total seat intake this year? So from where we will get this data? So KEA has released the seat matrix. Okay, the final seat matrix is there in the KEA official website, and we will also provide the description, the link of this PDF in our description section. So no need to go anywhere and search anywhere, just go to the description section of this video and download this and check for that college whichever you want to join, what is the seat matrix. Okay, like for example, you can see here. For example, you can see this is from the official PDF. So if you see here for RV college, okay, the total seat intake is 1420. But we are going through which? We are getting the seat through KCET. So for KEA, okay, general seat KEA, so the total seat in the KEA column is 639. So there are 639 seats available for all the branches in which college? RV College of Engineering. So similarly, now what you have to do is, so we have got 1420. So like for RV college, okay, I'll write like this: RV, BMS, PES and MSRIT. Okay, these are my top 4 colleges. I'll make a column and we'll write the KEA seat is how much. For example, for here it is, we have just seen now, it is 639. So for this one it is 639. So like this we'll write the seat matrix. Okay, the third step. So fourth, this is over. Next, coming to the next one, that is what is the cutoff for the course in that college. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, suppose I want to get into RV CS. Okay, so CS last year cutoff was 360 and my rank is somewhere around 1000, right? So I will not be able to get into this college in this branch. So I have to make a list of, or I have to think what is the cutoff for the course in that college. Okay, so now how we will see that? How can we check that, right? So we need a data for that. So here also in the KEA website, okay, you can see the 2023 cutoff. Okay, the link of this PDF will also be given in the description section, so no need to worry, just go there. There's another way of finding it in a, so you can see this data is so like clumsy and messy. There's another better way of doing this. You can go to a website, that is your college Pravesh. Okay, the link of this website will also be given. There you can easily search the college, the exam cutoff you want to see, and also you will be getting the cutoff for all the 3 rounds, round 1, round 2 and the extended round. Okay, so if you click on this tab, you can see for round 1, if you click on this 2, you'll get on this, and you can see the cutoff for the round 1, round 2, round 3 for the last year. Okay, so now you can have a brief idea for a particular college, for a particular course, what has to be the cutoff rank. Am I getting, or am I falling in that category or not? Okay, that is what you have to check. Here even category wise also you can see, this is for general or any other category if you have, also you can check. Okay, so now we have done with the this step. Now coming to the 6th question, is the gap between your expectation and the cutoff is narrow or wide? Like for example, let us take this one, RV CS, I want to join. The cutoff rank in the round 1 for RV was 310, and in the last round, that is round 2 extended, it is 360, and my rank is somewhere around 1000, right? In that case, what will I be able to get this college? Will I be able to get in like after 3rd round also? I will not be able to get this college, right? So what you have to do, you have to think that which colleges are coming in my category, in my range rank. You have to list down those colleges. So at least you must list down 20 to 25 colleges. Okay, colleges. In that again courses will be there, right? So you, like for example, in RV I am not able to get CS at this rank. For example, EC is there, okay, whose rank is around 1500 or something. I may be able to get that branch. So you have to check in a particular college which branches are coming in my rank, which branches are not coming, okay, and which colleges are there in my rank. So that is what you have to decide. Now for this also, we have make a video for top 20 colleges cutoff. So just I have written the range also there, from this much to this much if you are having, you will get into this college. So take that rank and check with your rank, and whether you are getting or not, you can easily decide. Okay, so all things are data are available, easily you can do the preference list. Now coming to the next one, what should be the order of your preferences? This is the most important thing. This is the way how you must order your preferences. So now what all things are available with you. You know whether you want to join the course or you want to join the college, like which is more important for you. You have decided that. Next, what you have calculated, what is your rank. With respect to this rank, which colleges are there, that also you found out. Now what is the thing? The thing is just to arrange them. Okay, so now what happens? So the colleges, suppose your rank here, see this point, suppose there is some other branch, let us take in RV college some X branch is there, whose cutoff is suppose somewhere around 1500. Okay, and my rank is 1789. Now if you see, still I think that I will not be able to get that, but it is somewhere near to my rank, right? So there is a possibility that if some students drop out or some students do not join, the seats are vacant, in some case there is a possibility that I may get this X branch in RV college. There is a possibility. Why? Because the gap is less. So in those type of branches, okay, where the gap is less, okay, those branches you must consider in your preference list. Clear? Okay, now coming to this one, how to make the, what is the order, how you should order your preference list. So the first one is, prefer the colleges you think you can't make it. Okay, so like for example, the 1500 rank and 1700 rank is there. You know 1500 you cannot make it according to the suppose for example 300 rank is there for CS and your rank is 1789. So you know you cannot make it, right? This college you cannot get it, but keep these colleges in the priority order first. Next, those colleges you think you may make it, if there is some how that the difference is less, you can make it. For example, it is 1500 and your rank is 1789. So this RV college, this X branch should be your next preference. Now coming to those colleges which you are very sure that you will get it. For example, in RV college there is some branch Y whose cutoff is 1900. Okay, last year it was 1900, for example, just hypothetical example. So I can easily say that okay, I can definitely get this one, I am sure about it. So your rank order will be RV CS, then RV X branch, then RV Y branch. You are getting? Okay, so first, which colleges you should prefer? The one where it is difficult for you to get. Second one is which you may or may not get, like the rank is little high from your value, from your KCET rank, but there is a possibility that you may get it in the third round. Okay, and the last one, last colleges will be those where you are very sure, you are very confident that you will get these colleges. Okay, so this is the way how you should arrange. So there, suppose you have selected 25 colleges, in each college suppose 5 courses you have chosen, so around 125 preferences you have, right? In this 125 preferences, arrange those first which you will not get, then the next which you can or may not get, and the last some colleges which some preferences which are very confident you will get it based on your rank and last year cutoff. Okay, now we'll give an example. Okay, so this is a preference list that I have prepared. Okay, so now let us try to understand this, and let us try to understand how KEA is going to allot you seat based on your preference list. Okay, so now you see I have made a college, like I have written this RV colleges and the branches I am interested. CS, then computer data science, information science, cyber security, artificial intelligence and machine learning, electronics communication and computer science in BMS. So these are all the data that I have listed out. These are the colleges, these are the branches that I wish to join. Now what will happen? My rank is 1789. You remember this number, 1789 is my rank. Now after example, just imagine the option entry portal is closed and the round 1 allotment have been done. How does it work? So what will happen? The KEA will start analyzing from the starting. 242, you are not, your rank is too high than this, you will not get this college. 456, no. 360, no. 620, no. 558, no. 761, 891, 1525, 1045 is also difficult. Yes, the one which I can clearly get, okay, without any conflict is 2397, right? So this is the college, that is the 10th one, RV with electronics and telecommunication is the one which I can get most probably, okay. Without any doubt I will be getting this one if the cutoff remains the same. Now what happens? So now in the next round when you are going to participate, so what I'll do, I am interested, like, okay, let me see for the next round I may get some better options. So I will select choice 2, okay. So what is choice 2 here? Choice 2 is accept and upgrade, okay. So you have accepted this seat but you are waiting for the next round. So if you have selected that one, then what will happen? The courses which are below this 10, this 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 preferences will be cancelled, okay. These 5 colleges and preferences will not be considered for the round 2. What they will do, next round they will go for this correction, okay. Now if I check here in second round, okay, I will not get this one also, I will not get, I will not get anything according to this one. So same, I will be remaining in the same round 2, there is more probable that I will get the same college again. Now if you go to round 3, okay, if you see round 3 again, here 1789 is my rank and here it is 2153. So there is a probability that I can get BMS in computer science and data science in the round 3. Okay, so it is always advisable, if you are willing for a better option, you can go for the next round, because you are not losing any seat, right? You are holding this seat and you are going for the next round. So that is how the option entry works. Okay, so this is one example where we have filled, mostly it is college wise. Okay, now how can you do it course wise? So this is how I have done. One more preference list, I hope it is visible. So in this, what I have mentioned, my interest is core interest is in computer science. I want to study computer science at any cost. So what I have done, I have taken some top computer science in some top colleges and I have written their ranks. Okay, then okay, if not computer science, some related branches, you have to be a little flexible. Okay, you cannot be very rigid, you have to be little flexible. And okay, if not computer science, I can manage with information science or computer science in data science, computer science with AI/ML, some allied courses I can take. So write down those branch colleges and then note down their round 1, round 2, round 3 cutoff. Okay, and then analyze that what you will be getting according to your rank. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare your preference list. 3 things you must keep in mind. First is you have to give as many options as available or as possible. Try to give maximum number of options, preferences, so that there is a probability of getting your desired college increases. That is the first thing. Second, arrange it properly. The order of arrangement should be the one which you will not get, you are thinking should be at the first. The one which you may or may not get should be in the middle. The one which you are very confident will be at the last. And the third most important thing is the college code and the branch abbreviations, right? The course description and the college code should be checked thoroughly, and the options must be saved thoroughly before going to option entry. Okay, so these are the important things. I hope this video is very helpful for you to make your preference list, and if you have any doubt, please comment down, we'll definitely address it. And yes, so all the best for your option entry process. Thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel for more updates.